Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with .NET Runtime Error code 1026, exception code c00000fd on your Windows 10 computer. This is that the process was terminated due to an unhandled exception code c000fd. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. So you want to go ahead and locate the .NET Framework services in here, and go ahead and make sure that they are both selected here, and then select OK. Select Allow Windows Update download the files for you. Okay, so you can see it completed the changes. Click on Close. Open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable 2015 to 2019 download, and you want to search for it. One of the best links should be from a support.microsoft.com website here. Go ahead and open this up. And you want to scroll down and select the corresponding one for your version of Windows here. So if you're running a 32-bit operating system, you're going to select the x86 download. You're going to select the x86 download. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, you're going to select the x64. Go ahead and make your download selection. It's only about 13 megabytes, so not too big. And then go ahead and open up the file once it's done downloading here. Select Run. You want to agree to the license terms and conditions. You want to agree to the license terms and conditions and select Install. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And it says you must restart your computer before you can use the software. Go save and close out of any open programs and applications, and go ahead and select restart. Okay, so once we're back in the Windows, see if what we did resolved your problem. One further thing we can do here is run the NET Framework troubleshooting utility. So I will have a link in the description of the video for that. And you just want to go ahead and copy that from the description of my video here. It's again from Microsoft. So just go ahead and paste that into the address bar. And you want to go ahead and select the Microsoft.NET Framework Repair tool. Go ahead and open that up. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You want to read and accept the license terms and select next. You want to select next again. And then select next. Once you're done with that, select finish, close out of here. So go ahead and restart your computer and see if that has resolved your problem. As always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.